So guys, once you're on the Facebook application, in the top left, you want to click on the three lines. And now you want to click on Settings and Privacy. And now you want to click on Settings. Once we're here, you want to scroll down until we see Privacy Checkup. You want to select who can see what you share. And then click on Continue. You can change all these settings right here, such as who can see your email address, date of birth, relationship, all of this stuff, friends and following. Just click on it and you can change it from like only me, specific friends, public, etc. And then click on save. Let's keep going, so click on next. You can change who can see your future posts, who can see your stories, etc. Who can see your reels. And there's tagging as well. And there's also tagging as well. Who can see posts that you're tagged in on your profile, etc. Just go through all of this and then choose the options that you want and then click on next. You can also see your block list right here. If you blocked anyone and you want to unblock them, then just come here. You can see your block list. You can unblock them if you want to. You can also add people to your block list as well. And then click on next. And that's how you do it.